Good morning to everyone present here. I am Deepa Binav and today I will tell you a true story based on honesty and the effect of social ethics. John Hope Bryant is an American financial literacy entrepreneur. He is a motivational speaker too. In the early years of 2000, he was in India teaching a course on leadership in a university. One day, when he went back to the hotel, he lately realized that he lost his wallet. He had his passport, his money, his credit cards, everything in the wallet. He called the reception and informed them to check in the car. The reception people said sorry, as they said it was a taxi but not their car. They tried to reach the taxi company, but nobody answered as it was late night. John Bryant started to lose hope as he had his passport in the wallet. At midnight, he received a call saying that the driver has called and he is arriving at the hotel with his wallet. Soon, John Bryant went to the reception in a hurried manner. There, he received his wallet from the driver. He checked the wallet. Everything was there in the wallet. Literally everything. His money, his credit cards, everything. Then, he asked the driver through translator, "What is your monthly income?" The driver replied, "2,000. Then John Bryant suddenly took out $70 from his wallet and gave it to the driver as a thank you. The driver politely said no. John Bryant didn't understand at first. He thought it was a translation problem because he was offering him his monthly income and he was saying no. So he offered him the same again. This time the driver replied angrily a no. He said he bought this wallet back to him because not for a reward, but because it belongs to him. John Bryant once thought, would this happen in a rich, sophisticated, developed country or in a big city like New York? Never. But for his surprise, the poor people who lived in slums were very honest. So he asked the driver, what can he do to be thankful to him? The driver replied, "Next time when you visit India, come to my house, have some tea, be my friend." From that incident, John Bryant understood that people can be trusted. There can be belief in humanity and understood the decency of people. So friends, one person with his honesty brought change in John Bryant, who in turn brought change in many people's lives as he shared this incident in many events. And friends, the hero of this story is a taxi driver whose name is Jay Prakash. So friends, one can do the right thing at right times by learning social ethics. Thank you.